Finding the subway.
Excuse me, can I help you?
Yes, I am a little lost.
Where do you need to go?
I need the subway station.
Which subway line do you need?
The Central Line, maybe.
Okay, that station is nearby.
Really? Not very far away?
No, only 5 minutes walking.
Oh, good. That helps a lot.
Walk straight past the bank.
Past the big red building?
Yes, exactly that building there.
Then what should I do?
Turn left at the pharmacy.
Is the station underground?
Yes, that is why subway.
Right. Silly question, sorry.
No worries. Tourists ask often.
The city feels very confusing today.
London feels confusing sometimes too.
Are tickets expensive here?
Not too expensive with a card.
Can I buy tickets downstairs?
Yes, near the entrance machines.
Those machines are difficult sometimes.
I still hate those machines.
Good, not only me then.
Your train comes every few minutes.
Even late at night?
Mostly yes, but slower tonight.
Thanks for all the directions.
You are welcome. Enjoy London.
English practice at the park.
Nice weather today, right?
Yeah, very sunny and warm today.
Do you come here often?
Sometimes, mostly on weekends.
Do you live near this park?
About 20 minutes away.
That is not very far.
Unless the bus comes late.
Buses love being late here.
Good. Not only my neighborhood then.
So, why are you here today?
I want more English practice.
That sounds like a great idea.
But speaking still feels difficult.
What feels difficult exactly?
I forget words during conversations.
That happens to many learners.
Also, people speak very fast sometimes.
Yes, fast speech takes practice.
How can I improve faster?
Try short conversations every single day.
Even with strangers like today?
Yes, friendly strangers are useful.
That sounds a little dangerous.
Only if strangers steal sandwiches.
Wait, does that happen here?
Mostly hungry birds steal food here.
Oh, good. Birds seem less scary.
What English topics do you enjoy?
Movies, travel, and funny stories mostly.
Those are perfect conversation topics.
Thanks. This talk feels comfortable now.
See? Practice becomes easier naturally.
At the pharmacy.
Hello, can I help you?
Yeah, I need some medicine.
Okay, what is the problem?
I have a bad headache today.
How long have you felt sick?
Since this morning, maybe longer.
Do you also feel tired?
Yes, and my throat hurts too.
Sounds like a small cold.
Nothing serious, I hope.
Probably not, but please rest.
Good. I hate hospitals, honestly.
Most people say the same thing.
Which medicine should I take?
These tablets help headaches and fever.
How many tablets each day?
2 tablets after each meal.
After breakfast, lunch, and dinner?
Yes, exactly 3 times daily.
Can I drink coffee with them?
1 coffee is probably okay.
Only one? That sounds difficult.
Your headache probably needs less coffee.
Yeah, maybe you are right.
Also, drink plenty of water today.
Should I stay home tomorrow?
If you still feel weak, yes.
My boss already looks annoyed, though.
Your health matters more than work.
True. I needed to hear that.
All right, anything else you need today?
No, that is everything. Thanks.
The parking space mix-up.
Excuse me, that is my parking spot.
Really?
I thought it was free.
Space 22 belongs to me.
Oh, I saw no name there.
The number is painted below.
Wait, let me check again.
I had a long workday today.
Sorry, I did not notice earlier.
Are you visiting somebody here?
Yeah, my friend lives upstairs.
Visitors usually park near the gate.
I probably missed that sign.
The sign is ridiculously small, though.
Good. Not only my bad eyes.
What apartment is your friend's place?
Apartment 12, beside the laundry room.
Oh, you mean Jason, probably.
Wait, you know Jason too?
Everybody knows Jason here somehow.
He talks with every single person.
Yes, especially when people look busy.
That sounds exactly like him, honestly.
All right, can you move your car?
Yes, give me 1 minute, please.
Thanks, I really appreciate that.
The visitor parking is near entrance?
Yes, beside the garbage containers there.
Hopefully those spaces are actually empty.
Tonight? That is never guaranteed here.
Maybe I should take the bus next time.
Honestly, that sounds much less stressful.
Getting ready at home.
Are you ready for dinner yet?
Almost. I cannot find my shirt.
Which shirt are you looking for?
The blue one from yesterday.
Yesterday? It is probably dirty now.
Oh no, I forgot completely.
Check the laundry basket downstairs.
I already checked there earlier.
Maybe it hangs behind the door.
Wait, why behind the door?
Because you always leave clothes there.
That sounds slightly true, honestly.
Did you pack your wallet already?
No. Where is my wallet?
You lose everything every weekend.
Not everything, only important things sometimes.
Your wallet sits beside the television.
Oh, good. Thanks for noticing that.
What time does dinner start tonight?
Around 7, maybe a little later.
Then we should leave soon.
I still need my shoes, though.
Please do not lose shoes, too.
They were near the kitchen earlier.
Why were shoes near the kitchen?
Long story. Very embarrassing story, actually.
Now I definitely want details later.
Fine. After dinner, maybe.
All right. Jacket, wallet, shoes, phone.
Yes, I finally have everything.
Amazing! We should celebrate this moment.
Maybe after we arrive on time.
Asking for help at the library.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, I need some help.
Of course. What are you looking for?
I'm searching for English books.
Any specific level or topic?
Easy English for beginners.
Okay, A1 and A2 level books.
Yes, something like that, please.
Do you prefer stories or grammar?
Maybe stories. Grammar feels hard.
Stories are more fun, yes.
I need fun, not stress.
Follow me, I will show you.
Is it far from here?
No, just this section over here.
These shelves look very big.
Libraries always look like mazes.
I might get lost here.
Don't worry, I can guide you.
Thanks. I feel better already.
Try this book for starters.
Is it easy to understand?
Yes, simple sentences and short stories.
Can I borrow it today?
Yes, just show your library card.
I forgot my card at home.
That happens more often than you think.
So I am not special then.
You can register again at the desk.
Great. I will do that now.
Good luck with your English reading.
Coffee shop friendship.
Nice coffee shop today, Ryan, right?
This place feels very nice.
Do you come here often today?
I sometimes come after my classes.
I usually study here every evening.
I like quiet places for studying.
What do you usually study here?
English and sometimes business books.
That sounds really interesting and useful.
I try, but English is hard.
It becomes easier with practice daily.
I feel shy speaking with people.
Everyone feels shy at first time.
How did you improve English so?
I listened and spoke every day.
That sounds difficult for me still.
Start with small, simple conversations daily.
Like talking here in the cafe now?
Yes, exactly, like this moment here.
I actually feel more confident now.
That is really good progress today.
Can we meet again sometime soon?
Yes, I come here often too.
Then I will return tomorrow, maybe.
I will bring some books too.
That would help me a lot.
Learning English should feel enjoyable always.
I agree more than before now.
Good. Conversations build confidence slowly up.
I feel less nervous speaking now.
That is exactly the goal here.
I hope I improve quickly, really.
You already improved a bit today.
That makes me feel happy now.
Keep practicing every single day here.
I will try my best always.
That is all you need, really.
Thanks for your coffee chat today.
Anytime. See you around here soon.
Yes, I learned a lot today.
It was nice talking with you.
Same here. I learned a lot today.
See you again at the cafe.
Helping hand at the laundromat.
Hi, do you need help?
Yes, I think I broke something.
What happened with the machine?
I put too much soap inside.
That happens more than you think.
Now there are so many bubbles.
Don't worry, it is easy to fix.
Really? I was getting stressed.
First, stop the washing machine.
Like this button here?
Yes, press and hold it.
Okay, it stopped now.
Good. Now open the door carefully.
I hope nothing is damaged.
Your clothes are totally fine.
I feel a bit embarrassed.
Everyone makes this mistake once.
How much soap should I use?
Just a small capful.
I used like 5 times more.
That explains the foam explosion.
I created a soap disaster.
Next time, read the label carefully.
I usually don't read instructions.
That is a risky habit, honestly.
Yeah, I'm noticing today.
Let's rinse the clothes again.
Thank you for helping me here.
No problem. I was nearby anyway.
Do you come here often?
Yes, every Saturday morning usually.
Maybe I will see you again.
Probably. This is a small laundromat.
Small world with big soap problems.
Exactly, especially for new people.
The air conditioning is broken.
Is it hot in here today?
Yes, it feels very warm suddenly.
I think the air conditioning is broken.
Oh no, not again this week.
Did you feel it stop earlier?
Yeah, around 30 minutes ago.
That explains the heat in the room.
My shirt is already too wet.
Let's open the windows for now.
Good idea. Fresh air helps a lot.
I will call the maintenance team.
Do they usually come quickly here?
Sometimes fast, sometimes very slow, honestly.
I hope they come fast today.
Everyone hopes that in summer.
Should we move to another room?
Yes, the meeting room has cooling.
Perfect. I need cold air now.
Grab your laptop and follow me.
Is it far from here?
Just down the hallway, second door.
I feel like I am melting.
You are not alone in that.
This is the hottest meeting ever.
Did you bring water today?
No, I forgot it at home.
I have extra bottles. Take one.
Thank you. That really helps me.
We should survive until maintenance arrives.
I hope they fix it soon.
They usually do by afternoon.
Good. I can survive until then.
Barely survive, but yes.
The Perfume Aisle.
Can I help you find something?
Yes, I need a perfume.
For you or a gift?
It's for my sister's birthday.
Nice. What kind of smell?
I don't really know, honestly.
That's okay. Many people don't.
Are there sweet perfumes here?
Yes, sweet and floral options.
Something not too strong, please.
I recommend this light fragrance.
Can I smell it first?
Of course. Try this tester.
Wow, that smells really nice, actually.
It's very popular with customers.
Is it expensive, though?
Not too expensive. Mid-range price.
Good. My budget is limited today.
There are smaller bottle sizes, too.
That might be better for me.
Does your sister like strong perfumes?
No, she prefers soft smells.
Then this one is perfect.
I think I will take it.
Great choice. I'll wrap it for you.
Do you have gift wrapping?
Yes, we do it here, free.
That makes my life easier.
We try to help customers.
I always get confused in shops.
Perfume Aisle confuses everyone at first.
Now I feel less lost.
You did well choosing today.
Thanks. This was actually helpful.